In this video, I'm going to show you how to save all of your saved TikToks. So if I go to a video, pick a random one. See, 4 minutes 52 seconds. It's fully watchable. Some disclaimers. Number one, this can only be done on the computer. If you only have a phone and don't have a computer you can use to do this, click off the video right now, because I do not, or at least I don't know how to. Second, get a big hard drive. Depending on if you have a lot of lawn videos saved, this might take up a lot of space. For me, this takes up about 13 gigabytes for 1,500 videos. I got off lucky, I don't have that many lawn videos saved. The programs you're gonna need for this: a web browser, this program yt-dlp, and Notepad++. I'm gonna be putting links to all of those in the description, and sometime after this video I'm gonna make a text version of this video in case you hate how I sound, I guess. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, you're gonna want to go to tiktok.com or TikTok on your phone. This is the only step you can do on your phone, by the way. So you want to go to, I think this 3 dashes on your profile page on mobile. You go to settings, account, download your data. So it's gonna bring up this screen. If you want all of your data, this includes, like, I think everything you've saved, everything you've liked. This includes sounds and shit, and hashtags and stuff. Your watch history, your search history, your profile info, all of that. If you only want some of it, you can just go down here. I think this is where the bookmarks go. So if you only want your favorites and stuff, click this. But I'm gonna go with all of it. And go to JSON. This is what I did. I don't know what the TXT version looks like. And then you hit request. And then you go down here, you hit download. Sends you a you hit send code and it sends you a verification code, and then you should be able to download it. So once you have that, you're gonna get this file, user_data_tiktok.json. This has everything. Don't share this with people. I don't know if it has any personal info or not. It doesn't come collapsed like this by default. I just did it in Notepad++, so I don't have any personal information on my screen. What you want to do with this is you want to make a copy of it, like I did there. Alright, this is the part where you need Notepad++, so download that if you don't have it. If you want to just get the links to your saved videos, you go to this column over here. This has all your saved videos and the dates and times you saved them. If you haven't collapsed like me, you're gonna want to select all of this and then hit delete. That's gonna shorten that by a lot. Select this, everything above it, hit delete. And now we only have the favorite videos column up here, which is what we want. Here's how you get all this rounding bullshit out and just the links. You go to search, find, mark. In the find what section, you highlight just the link, or at least this part of the link, so it knows what to find. You check this bookmark line section, and then hit mark all. Close that. Search, bookmark, remove non-bookmarked lines. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna remove all the lines except for the ones that have that link in it. And notice how there's this link part. We do not want that, or the quote next to the link. So what you're gonna want to do here is you're gonna want to go to search, find, replace, copy this with the spacing in there, paste it in there, and then delete anything in this field so that it just deletes this part, and then hit replace all. Boom. And you want to get rid of this, so you just type a quote in there and hit replace all. So now you have a list full of all your saved videos, just the links to them, line by line. So you're gonna want to save that. I already have mine saved, And step 3 is you're going to want to download yt-dlp into the folder you want the video saved in. Go to your internet browser, yt-dlp, you search that up. And the first link should be this GitHub link, github.com, yt-dlp. Make sure it's that one so you don't download a virus by accident. Notice that this one has 95,500 stars. That means it's the official one. Ignore all this. You just want to go to the latest release down here. If you're on Windows, you download this one, yt-dlp.exe. If you're on macOS, I think you do this one I think. And if you're on Linux, you definitely know how to download it, so I'm not going to tell you. So, you download that into the folder that you want it in. Now if you try to double click on it, it's going to tell you what I'm about to tell you, which is you close the fuck out of that, you right click, you hit open in terminal, and this is where you actually download the videos. Wherever you save most of the videos, you would copy that and you paste it in this folder. Last thing you want to do is you want to go into this command prompt window. I think it's yt-dlp.exe -v and -a, and you put save.txt in there, just whatever the name of the txt file is, and hit enter. And then it should start downloading it. When it's done, you should have a whole thing of most of your favorite TikToks. The videos downloaded, that does not include videos that have been deleted. Also, something I found really cool is to also save the date that the videos were made. So if you want that kind of accuracy, there you go. So yeah, I hope I've given a good tutorial on how to do this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will be seeing you sometime soon. Goodbye.